Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed a Google Calendar to Notion. Please note that you can only do this if your Google Calendar Gmail address is the same as you use for Notion, but I'll show you the steps. So you go to your Google Calendar and the settings up top here, there's a gear icon, click on that and click on settings, and that's going to go to your calendar settings, which is on the left side. You click on your account name. Mine's Jason Automation. And you can scroll down or click on access permissions for events. There's a make available to public. Do not click this because this will make your calendar Google searchable. So don't do that. Click on the get shareable link and you can copy the link. And when you copy the link, you can go back to the page you want to add your Google Calendar to and use the command /embed. Paste in the link and embed the link. Now, it's not showing my calendar because unfortunately my Notion account is on my personal Gmail, and I just demoed using the calendar for the Notion business Gmail. But if you click on this, it will actually go to my personal calendar. So just keep that in mind. It's not really worth making if you don't have the same Gmail address for your Google account and the Notion account. So hope this helps. Thank you.